Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be walking you through the process of logging in to your Verizon wireless account step by step. Whether you're managing your plan, checking your bill, or updating your account information, knowing how to access your Verizon wireless account is essential. Let's dive into the process. Step 1. Open the Verizon wireless website. First, open your preferred internet browser and go to the Verizon wireless website at www.verizon.com. You can also use the Verizon app if you're on a mobile device, but for this tutorial, we will use the website. Step 2. Click on the Sign In button. Once the website loads, locate the Sign In button. You'll usually find this button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Step 3. Enter your Verizon user ID and password. On the sign-in page, you will be prompted to enter your Verizon credentials. First, type in your Verizon user ID, which is typically the email address associated with your account. Then, enter your password. Double-check that both are correct before proceeding. Step 4. Select Remember Me, optional. If you'd like Verizon to remember your login information for future visits, you can check the box labeled Remember Me. This is optional, but it will save you time during subsequent logins. Step 5. Click Sign In. After entering your credentials and selecting the Remember Me option, if applicable, click the Sign In button to access your account. Step 6. Two-factor authentication, if enabled. If you have two-factor authentication enabled for added security, Verizon will send a verification code to your phone or email. Enter the code in the provided field and click Submit. Step 7. Access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Verizon wireless account dashboard. Here you can manage your plan, check your usage, view your bill, make payments, and much more. Remember, if you're having trouble logging in, you can click on the Forgot Your User ID or Password link below the login fields to recover your credentials. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video if you found this guide helpful.